Did you know the invention of the bicycle once caused a global craze that reshaped cities forever? Welcome to Unboxd Origins. I'm Howie, your resident science geek and accidental trivia sponge.
And I'm Wyatt. I ask the big questions. Sometimes philosophical, often skeptical, always curious.
Today we're digging into how did the bicycle change urban commuting forever? Let's pedal back to the early 19th century. The bicycle's ancestors were a bit, well, rudimentary. In 1817, Baron Karl von Drais invented the Draisine, or as some called it, the dandy horse. It was essentially a wooden frame with two wheels that you propelled by pushing your feet against the ground. Quite the leg workout, I must say.
Ah, the pre-pedal days. It sounds like a giant, less practical scooter. I'm guessing it didn't catch on immediately.
Correct, Wyatt. It was more of a novelty item for the wealthy, but fast forward to the 1860s in France, and we see the birth of the velocipede, affectionately known as the bone shaker, due to its iron-rimmed wheels on cobblestone streets. Ouch! However, it was the 1880s that truly revolutionized everything, with the invention of the safety bicycle, featuring equal-sized wheels and a chain drive.
Ah, the bicycle as we recognize it today. But Howie, why did this version succeed where others didn't?
The safety bicycle offered greater stability and comfort. It became accessible to the masses, offering an affordable and efficient means of transport. Cities began to transform as bicycle paths were carved out, and suddenly urban commuting wasn't just for the horse-owning elite.
Intriguing. While these developments were happening, was anyone skeptical of this new mode of transport?
Oh, absolutely. There was quite a bit of resistance. Some even claimed that cycling could lead to health issues like bicycle face. But despite the skepticism, the bicycle became a symbol of freedom, especially for women, helping to challenge societal norms and clothing restrictions.
Aha! So the bicycle was more than just a mode of transport. It was a catalyst for social change. Women cycling in bloomers rather than cumbersome dresses. That must have turned a few heads.
Exactly, Wyatt. It wasn't just about getting from A to B. It was a movement, quite literally. The bicycle paved the way for modern urban planning and even influenced the development of automobiles. But perhaps its most lasting impact was how it democratized travel, allowing people to explore beyond their immediate neighborhoods. So as we've seen, the bicycle did more than just change urban commuting. It redefined how cities grew and how people interacted with their environment. It offered independence and prompted significant social change.
Indeed, a simple two-wheeled invention sparked a revolution that went beyond roads and pavements. It's a fascinating testament to how innovation can ripple through society in unexpected ways.
If you found this journey through bicycle history riveting, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, sometimes the simplest inventions have the most profound impact.